So hello students, I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. So students, today we are going to start your first chapter of mathematics, whose name is integers. Okay. So before going to be start the integers, we have to know what is the integers. Okay. So those the counting numbers. Yes, the count all the counting numbers including zeros and negative of that counting numbers are said to be a integers, and they means the integers are generally represented by sometimes z or sometimes I also. Okay, so but here I have represented by your integer by z. Okay, now so let's start the properties of the integers. So over addition, it is a case of the properties of integers over addition. So there are some properties of the integers. One is the first property is what? The closure property. Suppose that if we have the two integers, means a and b both are the integers, then the sum of both a and b will always give a integers. Okay. And now come to the next property, that is commutative property. If a and b both are the integers, then if we are changing the order of these integers, then the result will be remains same. Okay, means a plus b always equal to the b plus a. Okay, what? B plus a. Now next is the associative property. Okay, if suppose that we have the three integers and we are making a group here like as the a plus of b plus c equal to what? The gives the result always equal to this one, means the bracket a plus b plus c. Okay, now the next is existence of additive identities. Okay, if we are additive identity means if we have the two integers, two integers a and 0. 0 is also an integer, but its nature is neutral, that is it's not a negative integer or not a positive integer. Okay, so a plus b, if we are adding the 0 in the integer, that is a, or if we are adding a in the 0, then the result is always what? A. Okay, now the next is additive inverse. Additive inverse is what? If we are adding the positive integer with its negative integer, then the result is always what? A 0. Okay, so these are some properties over properties of the integers over addition. But there are some changes in the properties of the integer in case of subtraction. This was the case of what? In addition. Here we have discussed the addition. Now come to the subtraction point. Okay, properties in case of subtraction. Then we will discuss the properties of same, the multiplication, and now in the end we will discuss the properties of the same, that is the integer in case of divisions. Okay, now let's discuss the properties of the integers over subtraction. Means in case of that subtraction, they don't follow the only if they follow the only closure property. If we have the two integers like a and b, and like a and b, okay, if we have two integers yes. Now next is what? Properties of integers over subtraction. If we have the two integers like a and b, then if we are the subtracting the b from a, then we will get a integer in case of subtraction. Okay, but they don't follow the commutative property, they don't follow the associative property, and this one and this one also. Okay, only the one property is following by the integers, in that is what? The closure property. Okay, now next, the properties of integers over multiplication. Okay, means they follow the commutative property, they follow the closure property, they follow the commutative property. Okay, they follow the associative property. Yes, what is next? The multiplicative identity. Okay, in case of the multiplicative identity, if we are multiplying by this if we are multiplying the integer by 1 or 1 by any integer, then the result is always what? That integer. Okay, next is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Okay, if we have an integer, then if we are doing the multiply by its inverse, what is the inverse of this a? 1 upon a. Okay, then the result is always what? 1. Okay, next is zero property. In case of the what? Sorry, next is 6 is zero property. Properties of zero. If we have any integer, let's it's a, and we are doing the multiply by the 0, or 0 multiply by a, then the result is always 0. Now the most important properties of this category is what? Distributive law over addition. Okay, distributive law over addition. Distributive law over addition. Okay, now if we have a and a comma b and c are the three integers, and we have written like as the a is multiplied by the sum of the a plus b, then the result is always what? Like as the a into b plus a into c. This is known as the distributive law of the integers. Okay, okay, now come to the next point, that is the properties of the integers in case of division, or you can say the over division. So in case of the division, there means they don't follow the properties of integers. Means in case of the division, they don't follow the properties, these properties. Okay, but sometimes you will notice that in case of the closure property, if I say that let's come to the closure property. In case of only the closure property, means the integers don't follow the closure property every time in case of division. Okay, now suppose that if a and b are the two different integers, and then it is not necessary that whenever you will divide this a by b and you will get this one. Okay, it's not necessary. Clear? Now how? Suppose that the 2 is a and 3 is b, both are the integers, but whenever you will divide this 2 by 3, then you will get what? A rational number, not a integer. But sometimes it follows that how? Now the 4 is the integers and another integer, let's it's b, then it follows that whenever you will divide this 4 by 2, then you will get the 2 as the answer, then it is your what? Integers. Okay, so means it is not necessary that the every time it will follow the closure property. Okay, it's depend upon the situation, but rest of the properties is not followed by the integers. Okay, in case of division, these integers in case of division. Now let's start the first exercise, that is 1a. Okay, so in first question you will in your first exercise there are the sum of the integers. Second question is also related to the sum of the integers. Okay, Okay, one most important topic was there, means the modulus or the standard form. Okay, standard form of or modulus of integer. Okay, suppose we have integers a, then mod of a is always a. Or sometimes you will notice that if we have any negative integer say it's your minus a, then mod of minus a is always what? A. Okay, so you have to keep these things in your mind, and then you have to study your exercise. Okay, so first you have to write down the notes related to these properties in your notebooks. Okay, then you will start your exercise. Okay, now the first exercise is what? Exercise 1a. Let's start 1a. So here is the first question you have to do the sum, then sum, then sum. Okay, then the additive inverse. Okay, then subtract the sum of this one and this one from this one. Okay, we will do the fifth question here. Okay, subtract the sum of listen the question number 5 carefully. Subtract the sum of minus 1032 and 878 from minus 34. Okay, so here we will do only the solution. So arrange that situation in mathematical form. We have to subtract that given number from minus 34. Okay, and what was that? Subtract the minus 1032 plus 878. So what was the question? You have to do what? Subtract the sum of minus 1032 and 878 from minus 34. So how will we solve this one? First we will solve this one. Minus 12 minus 8 become 4. Now 12 minus 7 become 5. Here 9 minus 8 become 1. It's your negative. Okay, now minus 34 minus and minus become plus 154. Now we can write like as also. Okay, just ignore this one, subtract this one. 4 minus 4 become 0, 5 minus 3 become 2, and 1 is 1. It's your answer. Okay, so in this way you can easily solve the question. So here in question number 7 you will see that there is a fluffs. So you have to fill the fluffs by using the properties of these integers. Okay, then okay. Now find. Okay, let's do the question number 10. Question number 10. If a equal to minus 8, b minus 7 and c equal to 6, then verify that what? A plus b plus c, okay, sorry, equal to a plus b plus c. Now how will we solve? We have a equal to, okay, a plus b minus plus c equal to Okay. What? A plus B plus C. Now write down the value of A, B and C in this condition, in this situation. So minus A plus, what is B? Minus C, 7. Okay, we will write like as. And what is C? Plus 6 plus, what is minus 8 plus minus 7 plus 6. Okay, now solve it. Minus 8 plus minus minus plus 6 minus 8 plus minus 1. Whenever you will solve this one, then you will get the minus 1 as a result. Now they both belong to the same family, so we will add it, but the sign will remain same. Okay, now it becomes 15 of the negative sign plus 6, and it become what? The minus 9. Minus and minus, minus plus, it will become 9, because whenever you will add the both member of the same family, then you will we will keep those number in a same group and with the negative sign. Okay, now it will become minus 9. Now see here, it become 9 minus 9. So here the LHS equal to RHS verified. LHS equal to RHS verified. Okay, now so in this way you can do any questions up to 11. Okay, then this one, the sum of the two integers is 1. Okay, let's start the question number 12 here. If you have any confusion regarding the solution of any question, you can ask your problem in the comment section. Okay, okay, let's come to the question number 12. The sum of the two integers is, we will start only the solution. First listen the question number 12 carefully. Okay, the sum of the two integers is minus 16. If one of them is 53, then we have to find the second one. Okay, now we have, how will we solve this one? We have sum of two integers equal to what? Z is what? Your integer. Okay, sum of two integers equal to minus 16, and first integer equal to 53. Let second integer equal to x. Okay, then according to question 53 plus x equal to what? Minus 16. Now here we have to find the value of x, so we will write like as minus 16. Okay, whenever you will transfer this 53 to that side, then it will come in the negative sign, with the negative sign 9. Okay, so the second integer is what? Minus 69. Okay, got it? The difference of an integer a and this is minus 4. Okay, find the value of a. Okay, you can simply arrange these questions. Now, so in this way, okay. Okay, yes, we have skipped, I think we have skipped the question number 3. Find the additive inverse. Okay, let's do the question number 3, the fourth part of 3. Okay, fourth part of question number 3. We have to find the additive inverse of minus 2001. Okay, solution. We have an integer equal to minus 2001. Okay, then additive inverse. Okay, then the additive inverse of minus 2001 is always what? 2001. Okay, it's your answer. If suppose that you have a 2001, only that is the positive 2001, then the additive inverse of the positive 2001 will be what? The negative 2001. So in this way we have completed exercise 1A and some of the questions of exercise 1B. Okay, so I hope you will do your work in a sincere manner. If you have any query, then you can simply go for the comment section and you can ask your query in that comment section. Okay, thank you, beta.